Hey guys, what's up? How are you doing? I hope you're good, great, fantabulous, all that good stuff. Welcome to my Etsy shop. As you can see in the title of the video and on the screen, we are shopping around my Etsy shop today because I'm going to show you some newness. I finally threw some stickers in my shop. Woo! Applause, applause, applause. I finally put some stickers in my shop, guys. I've been talking about it for a fulfilling years, and I have done it today. So this is my shop. If you haven't visited before, please check it out. There's some cute stuff on there. There's some really cute digital kits, 15 pages each if you're into like hand making vintage journals and stuff. There's some kits there for you. There's some digi stamps. There's a couple digital download prints in there and my stickers. That's what the video's about. Let's go to the sticker section. I have 4 sets. For now, guys, I say for now because I am sketching my butt off. I am designing my butt off. I'm jumping back and forth between different sticker sets on my iPad and just playing around like crazy. There's so many ideas to make stickers. I'm so excited. So way more to come, trust and believe. But for now, we are starting with 4. I'm going to go into the first one up here, Bottle Botanicals, you know, because they're bottled botanicals. So unique, Sam, so unique. But I love these. They're so freaking cute. Look, I wanted them to be bright summer colors, which they are. I think the green ones are my favorite, but yeah, just some sketchy bottles with some botanicals in them and a little water. And this one comes in 5 different paper options. So I'm kind of, like I said, testing the waters. I want to see what you guys prefer, what you like. So if you do buy these, please leave a review. Let me know what you liked about it. Even comment below in this video of, you know, what your favorite type of sticker paper is. If there's sticker sheets that you want to see me put in the shop, let me know. So yes, this comes in 5 different ones. Weatherproof matte, standard matte, removable matte, clear gloss. All of them are really good quality, guys. All the paper is from onlinelabels.com. I'm going to link them below. Check them out if you're interested in making stickers or you want to make any other kind of labels. They're really, really good quality. My quantities are very limited because, like I said, I'm testing things out for now just to see how you guys like everything. If they sell out, I am ready to restock. Don't you worry about that. Everything is there and ready to go, but I kind of just want to see what's up, just see what's up in the beginning. So there's a few sheets of each kind available. Some of them only 2, some of them 1, some of them 4. So it just depends on, what you want. Check it out. Check it out. So that's the first one, Bottle Botanicals. Then we have Spring Foliage. You might recognize some of these. I used the succulent in an art journal page before. I think this one too. Maybe this one down here. I love using these kind of things, guys. You know that already. I love collaging and having tissue or vellum or whatever to stick in there. And now that I have stickers, I don't even have to worry about printing on my own stuff first and then gluing. I could just stick it on. Who doesn't love convenience? So this is the Spring Foliage. I love this one. You can even, depending on the paper, if it's the standard matte or the removable matte, it's like a paper surface. It's not like the weatherproof, which is smooth, but these ones you could probably color on with your colored pencils, markers, whatever. So check them out. These come in how many? 3 different options: standard matte, removable removable matte, and clear matte. So check that one out. Then we have Retro Florals. This one just gave me a retro vibe. Does it not give you a retro vibe? I think it's this one, maybe this one up here, maybe this dotted one down here, but I felt a retro vibe with this, so that's what I went with. And this one is too cute. It comes in 5 different options as well. And this one has, I think, 14 stickers total. And you can scroll through and see the pictures of what each of the paper types looks like. But keep in mind, guys, computers look different, cameras look different. They're really pretty in person. Trust and believe. And then the last one is Mushroom Bunch. This is only available in the clear matte, and there's only, I think, 3 of them. Because I wasn't even sure if I wanted to make this a sticker set, but I wanted to make it for myself one day in a black and white. This is actually a set of mushrooms that I did in an art journal page a while back. I sent this off in a journal swap with Lucy. Hey Lucy, if you're watching. I sent it off to her. It was in color. I'm gonna throw a photo right in the top corner right now so you could see what the original looked like. But I kind of just wanted to make it black and white and turn it into a sticker sheet, so I did that. So let me know. Let me know if you want me to continue with this sticker sheet, and I'll make more. I'll throw the colored version on there as well if you're interested. Comment down below. And that's it, guys. That's it. You have the 4 sets. They're very limited, but like I said, if they sell out, I am ready to restock and we'll go from there. I'm going to throw some other designs up too, and yeah, check them out. I hope you like them. I hope you love them. And now what I'm going to do is go to my overhead camera, and I'm going to just take a couple of the stickers and throw it into a notebook so you can kind of see what they look on papier, on paper. Let's take a look. Okay, bye. Hey guys, okay, so here we are now. I'm gonna show you the stickers real quick. We already went through everything on the website, so I hope you check it out, but here we go. So this is basically everything you saw on the site. These are the different paper types. There's the weatherproof matte, the standard matte, the removable, the clear gloss, the clear matte. They are gorge, but what I'm gonna do real fast is I'm gonna just kind of show you with some of my little extras here what they look like in a book. Okay, I recorded this 2 times already, guys. I just have to let you know. This is my 3rd time doing this, which is why there's already stickers in this book. I don't know what happened. The video disappeared. Such is life. We are moving right along. So I'll show you what's in here anyway, and then I'm going to do it on another page regardless. But these are the weatherproof matte. It's so smooth. This is the Bottle Botanicals. I hope this is focusing. This is the clear gloss. These 2, actually, both of them, you can see the little glossiness in the camera. This is weatherproof matte here as well. This is from the Retro Florals set. This is the craft. I didn't put that up on the site yet, so you didn't see that in the video prior, but there's also craft paper options. So let me know if you're interested in that. I could do that for the spring foliage and the mushroom bunch. I don't know if the colored ones will look good on craft, so it'll most likely just be the black and white ones, but let me know. But yeah, these are from the spring foliage. This is the clear matte. My favorite one, like I said. You can barely even tell this is a sticker on the paper. Like, you can barely see the edges. It looks like you just doodled right on there. I freaking love the clear matte. This is clear matte as well. So nice. Don't mind my crazy nails, by the way. I need to do my pretty nails again. Guys, my nails were so pretty for a while, right? Anyway, this was the 2nd time I went to record, and right after the first sticker, the video stopped and disappeared. But again, this is the weatherproof matte. So now, let's just throw some on there. I have some extras here. Oh, and by the way, there's going to be freebies in each one. And I have my fern here. I use this in an art journal page as well, so you probably have already seen this, but I have it in craft and clear gloss. So freebies there. Also little hand cut and die cut stickers as well from the sets, just in separates to throw in there as freebies. So let's get to it. Let's do, well, this is already the weatherproof matte, but I'll throw another one on there. I really like this orange. The orange is pretty, and these are really good quality, guys. Online Labels, great place to get sticker paper from. I will just let you know. I think the green is my favorite. This is the clear gloss. I'm going to throw that on there. It's so cute. Look at the clear gloss. Is this focusing? Yeah, it is. Look at the clear gloss, guys. I love that, especially with this Bottle Botanicals, because you could see right through it. How cute is that? This is also weatherproof matte. This is the Scribble Rose. I call this Scribble Rose because it's a scribbly rose. It's so pretty. Isn't that cute? Look how cute. I don't know, making these stickers, guys, it has brought back like my childhood feelings. I used to be obsessed with stickers, like obsessed with stickers as a kid. Just, they were all over. Notebooks, binders, letters, because me and my friends used to write each other letters in school back and forth constantly. How cute are these though, right? How cute are those? You can put these in your journals, your diaries, whatever you do, your planners, your whatever. I'm going to do the mushroom bunch. This one, guys, when you throw this on paper with this clear mat, it looks like you have drawn it in the book. Look at this. You can't even tell that this is a sticker. You can't even tell. Well, I mean, if you can tell, then fine, you're good, but I can't tell. It looks so good to me. So freaking good. This is the craft. Let's throw this one in here. I love this one. I really like the craft. I think I might, yeah, I think these are definitely going to go in the shop, guys. Don't you think? Don't you think? And the light tan color, which is like the craft, but a little lighter. Pretty, and that's it, guys. So that's like a couple samples of what they look like on some paper. Freebies will be thrown in there. Check out the shop. I hope you love them. So much more to come. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!